Hey YouTube, in this video I'm gonna show you how to easily adjust your trackpad if you're replacing it or changing it or moving it around or whatever you're doing with the trackpad on this newer Macs. Actually should work on the older ones as well. This is 2016 to 2017 A1708. Will work on A1706, A1707 and all this stuff. So anyway, let's get to the point, straight to the point. So when you're removing the trackpad, sometimes it's kinda tricky to make it all nice and even on all sides, so all the gaps are the same, so it's not crooked, you know, because that kind of bothers me all the time. So the easiest way to do it is put first two screws on the opposite sides, like I'm putting one here and I'm putting one here. Okay, so loose them up, so they have to be kinda a little bit loose, so the trackpad is moving around, as you can see. Okay, so the trackpad is moving around, and use playing cards. Okay, here, this side, and that side. So this is the easiest solution I found to make it all nice and even. Okay, so we have 4 playing cards here. Now turn it around and tighten these 2 screws. Okay, tighten these 2 screws, and the rest is history. After that, you're gonna have even gaps. I mean, this is as even as you can get, probably, on all 4 sides. Okay, so that's a quick trick to getting this trackpad back in place properly and nicely. Thank you very much for watching, guys. If you like my videos, please subscribe and have a great day.